Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add SUI to MetaMask Wallet. Hey, by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. Alright, so first up, go to the top right, open up your MetaMask Wallet. Now go ahead and go to this three horizontal lines. Click on it. Now go ahead and click on Snaps. Okay? Click on it. Now go ahead and click on Discover Snaps. Wait for a new page to load. And once it loads, go to the top right and click on the search bar. And then here, just type down SUI. Okay? Click on View. Now go ahead and click on Add to MetaMask right here. Wait for it to load. Now in here, just gotta scroll all the way down and hit on Accept. Click on Connect. Wait for it. And then just hit on Confirm. Install SUI right here. Confirm. Now it says here, SUI is now installed. Okay, you can now go ahead and click on this hyperlink to open it up. Right here, as you can see, now it says, which extension do you want to connect with? Okay, you can go ahead and straight up use MetaMask or Phantom. But in this case, I'm going to go ahead and use MetaMask. Click on Connect right here. We have the Connect button. Wait for it. And it says here, connection request. Just click on Connect. Wait for it. And here you have it. When you go ahead and check it out right here under your MetaMask wallet, you should be able to see at the top right again, snaps your SUI connection. Okay? Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.